Imagine having a digital version of yourself, ready to deliver your message anytime, anywhere, without you ever having to step in front of a camera again. Let me introduce you to HumanPal. This tool is honestly next level, and it's changing the way people create video content. Here's how it works. All you need to do is snap a photo of yourself. Just one selfie, no fancy equipment required. Upload it to the platform, type out your script or message, and you're ready to go. That's literally it. HumanPal takes your photo and creates a super realistic AI avatar of you, complete with your face, your unique expressions, and even perfect lip sync. The whole process takes just seconds, and the results are seriously impressive. And here's something really cool. Your AI self can speak in over 40 different languages, and you can choose from more than 800 expressive AI voices. Whether you want to sound formal, friendly, energetic, or calm, there's a voice for every mood and message. Want to take your message global? No problem at all. Your avatar can literally communicate with people all over the world in their own language, using gestures and facial expressions that look totally natural. It's like having a multilingual spokesperson who never gets tired. HumanPal comes loaded with ready-made templates, so you can create professional YouTube videos, engaging social media posts, or even persuasive sales pitches in just minutes. And forget about those robotic, monotone voices you get with basic talking head apps. HumanPal's avatars sound natural, engaging, and full of personality. The lip movements are spot on, syncing perfectly with your words. The facial expressions are so lifelike it's almost uncanny. It looks and sounds just like you, only better, because your avatar never gets tired, never stumbles over words, and always delivers your message with confidence. And here's the real kicker. You get unlimited video renders, no watermarks on your videos, no monthly subscription fees eating into your budget. It's just a one-time payment of $49 and you own the software for life. That's it. No recurring charges ever. No hidden costs, no sneaky upsells, and no surprise charges down the line. What you see is what you get. HumanPal is a total game changer. It's perfect for entrepreneurs, educators, marketers, or anyone who wants to make a big impact online. Are you ready to create your own AI avatar and start speaking to audiences everywhere? Just click the link below, upload your favorite photo, type your message, and watch as your digital self comes to life in minutes. Seriously, it's that easy. No tech skills required, no complicated setup, just instant results.